livestock-dependent households in 10 counties around Kenya. The project has developed solar-powered boreholes and water pumps, rehabilitated several livestock markets and slaughterhouses, bred thousands of animals, provided agricultural equipment, pasture and fodder seeds, and trained the youth in animal health in different parts and many counties in the Republic of Kenya. We are invested in developing our leather subsector to support competitive export industries, supporting many thriving enterprises and households. In this connection, we have committed to implement strategies aimed at increasing incomes from 15 billion to 120 billion a year, multiplying job opportunities from 17,000 to 100,000, and raising annual footwear production from the current 8 million shoes to 36 million pairs, worth 72 billion by 2027. I have made this commitment that shortly we will not be importing shoes from anywhere. We will be wearing our own shoes. Made in Kenya, use leather. It is essential to our strategy that will transform the leather value chain from one driven by imports of raw material and semi-processed products to a sophisticated industry manufacturing internationally competitive finished leather and leather products, thus